engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Light engineers, fire the harpoons! Left pilot, brakes! Good work! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends! The power of the ship! Well, I grabbed the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Look! We cannot die! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. End of the belt. Two more. He's the last. You did it. Watch out. Oh, that's going to be hard. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Oh dear, that's terrible.
Okay.
gives you the details.
Yeah.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple. Alright, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out.
He
Go on,
said
go
get
on,
out,
get
so
out.
that means get out.